Welcome to Section 4 of our Amazon Marketing video training. In this section, we'll talk about the hottest traffic methods for Amazon affiliate sites, using Amazon native shopping ads, advanced FBA strategies, and embedding an Amazon A-store into a Facebook page. We hope you enjoy and get the most out of this training section. The hottest traffic methods for Amazon affiliate sites. Your Amazon affiliate website will be nothing without constant high-quality traffic. No matter what you do or how shiny the design is, you need lots of people visiting it and purchasing stuff on Amazon after clicking through it. Getting traffic to your Amazon affiliate niche website is strongly tied to your content. So let's recap the essential elements that you need to have: profitable keywords, great content, and pricing tables. In this video, we are going to focus on teaching you how to master the hottest traffic methods for Amazon affiliate websites. These methods are easy to understand and implement, and best of all, they work like a charm. Finding the right keywords. We discussed this in the previous video, but it's worth noting that this is perhaps what carries the most weight when it comes to getting traffic to any type of website, niche or not. The right keywords are going to help your niche website rank higher among sites relevant to your topic or, in your case as an affiliate, your niche. There are 2 online tools that we recommend you use before you start creating content for your niche website. These tools will help you find other keywords that are relevant to your niche, as well as whole phrases used by customers during their research before making purchases. Google Keyword Planner. The Google Keyword Planner can help by allowing you to get search data related to your keywords. Simply go to adwords.google.com/keywordplanner and log in using your Google account. There, you'll be able to search for new keywords using a phrase, website, or category, get search volume data and trends using a defined keyword, and to multiply keyword lists to get new keywords. SEMrush. Use SEMrush to get a lot of information relevant to your keyword, such as info on organic search, paid search, trends, and related keywords. Target buying keywords. Buying keywords are keywords used by people that want to find more information about something before making a purchase. This can happen for a variety of reasons. Most of the time, it's because people want to make informed purchases or find alternatives. A lot of times, it's a simple form of building anticipation before making a purchase. This means that buying keywords are query keywords that are derived from a specific keyword, such as best blue smartphone when looking for blue or blue smartphones. These types of keywords are important because people using them are ready to make a purchase the majority of the time. Using these types of keywords in your niche site can attract a lot of people through searches on Google. Target long-tail keywords. Long-tail keywords are a much more specific form of keyword because they are used to search for more specific criteria when buyers are looking for something they really want. Using the blue smartphone example, long-tail variations of said keyword can be best blue smartphone 2016 or blue smartphone audio file. Sure, long-tail keywords tend to carry a low search volume because they are too specific. However, they also tend to lead to more profitable sales. Best of articles. While product reviews are the most popular approach, best of articles tend to work better for some niches. This approach works amazingly well because best of followed by any product-related keyword gets a lot of traffic. Surprisingly, not many people know this. Leverage social media. Having a presence on social media can help you drive a lot of traffic to your site by simple crowdsourcing. If your site features compelling and valuable content, your social media followers will share it and could even become your ambassadors. To keep social media users interested in your niche website, make sure to fill in content other than reviews and affiliate-centric posts.